In this video, we're going to show you how to use PhoneSoap 3, the original UVC phone sanitizer and charger. After opening the box, you'll find your PhoneSoap 3 and its provided power adapter. To get started, plug the barrel end of the cord into the port marked Power, and then plug the adapter into a power outlet. Next, place your phone in the sanitizing bay and shut the lid. The sanitizing cycle will begin automatically as indicated by the light on top. After 10 minutes, the light will shut off and the cycle is complete. To charge your phone while sanitizing, plug your charging cable into the corresponding USB port in the back of the unit. Then, thread the cord through the opening on the right end of the PhoneSoap unit. With PhoneSoap 3, a charged phone is a clean phone.